Today we will see how groundnut oil is made in the factory. The process begins with groundnuts. Now, the moisture content of the groundnut is checked. The groundnuts are loaded onto the conveyor belt for the cleaning process. The groundnuts are cleaned with the help of a machine. After that, the groundnuts are put into a hopper. Now, oil is extracted from the groundnuts with the help of a machine. This byproduct is generated after the oil is extracted from the groundnuts. The byproduct of groundnuts is used in animal feed. The groundnut oil is filtered. Now, these tins are filled with the groundnut oil. After that, it is sealed with the help of a machine.